Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and we have an exciting one. The iPhone 16 Pro, right? I got the Pro because finally it has the same benefits as the Pro Max. Everything is exactly the same. So we're gonna unbox this first, and then we could talk about it. So here it is. It comes in this package. You could just throw it, and here it is, guys. That's how it looks like. It looks like exactly like the other iPhone boxes. Nothing crazy, only here you could see that it's iPhone 16 Pro, as you see. So we're gonna open it. Here we go. And here we go. All right, and I got the titanium black. Check it out, guys. So let's put it aside for now. Let's see what else it comes. It comes with this high quality braided cable. Let's remove it so you guys can see. USB-C to USB-C, just like the iPhone 15. All right. There's no more stickers, no more Apple stickers. It's just pretty much the manual. A quick manual. Just a paper, and that's it. Less paper this time around. So here it is. I got the regular size, and I'm gonna turn it on right now. So this button is the camera button. The new camera button is here, where you could scroll. You could tap it, you could light tap it. It's like still have the action button too, that you could put it whatever you want to open the camera, or you could put it as an action button to do whatever you like. I really am digging this new color. It's a darker black than typical the space gray. And look at the bezels here. Look how it is. It's actually thinner bezels. So I'm gonna set this up, and it's easy to hold. See, it's easy to hold in the hand. You could use one hand use to reach everything, and that's why I like the Pro, not the Pro Max, because you could use it with one hand easily. So I'm gonna set it up, and we're gonna test out some of the new features. All right, we're back 3 days later. We unboxed the iPhone 16 Pro, and now we finally set it up. So we'll talk about it, but before we get into it, I just want to show you a comparison. And oh, by the way, I'm with Elaina, my favorite helper.
Yeah, we also have my phone and Mario was my phone.
Yeah, so apparently this is the iPhone 6 is Elena's phone, and this is my phone. But what's interesting about this, guys, is there is 10 generations between these two phones. It's crazy. iPhone 6 and iPhone 16 Pro. So the iPhone 6 is actually a lot thinner. Obviously, it has a smaller battery. And then look at the screen sizes. So this has a 6.3. And I forgot what size is this. I think this is a 4.6 or something like that. So it's a big difference in terms of...
Yeah, and we also have something here, and you could actually do something in my phone. You could do this, but while we see, but we will get you back later.
We'll get it back later. Okay, so let's show them what else we have here. So what do we have here? We have a screen protector, which we already have it on. So I just want to shout out to ESR for making a tempered glass screen protector. Apparently it's durable to 9H. And it was easy to install. Daddy. Military grade protection. So
Daddy.
Yes.
Actually, I wanted to say something.
Okay.
Guys, we have something here, but Daddy will swipe it. Daddy, can you swipe it for me? Because it's so hard.
Yeah, we're gonna swipe it. Okay.
When you swipe this, it will it will make Disney and Netflix, but Mommy don't like Netflix. When you click on Disney, you do you want to see what happens to Disney?
Yeah, I think they're here for the review, so they
And
want to know about the new phone.
What happened to Disney?
Oh, looks like the battery is gonna die again. Such an old battery. But all right. So here is also the case. We have it here. This is the Apple case. Put this on.
And we also have
We
songs
have
in my
also
phone.
the MagSafe wallet. And here's what I want to talk about. Really, is the biggest difference here is the camera. So you have this extra camera button. Even in the case, you could still have control. So when you click on it, it opens the camera. And then, like, if you click here, you could zoom. You could zoom in. You see that? You can see that menu up there, and you could change that menu around. Now you still have the action button. So for me, I mapped it to the flashlight. So when I press that button, press it again, it turns off the flashlight.
Yeah, and we also have a song, but Mommy, can you put this a little louder, Daddy? Cause
We're gonna play the song for them.
yeah. Oh, I don't know what's happening to website.
So if you have obviously the iPhone 15, I don't think this is a big update between the 15 and 16, but if you have the 14, for sure, the camera, finally I got the smaller size because, yes,
Can you
Elaina?
please put it louder? It's song, so
You can play it from here.
But I can't hear it. We have the song
Alright. We can't play it for too long because there's copyrights.
and we also have this song, and I will tell you the rest of the songs.
Mm-hmm.
First,
Okay.
I will change it later.
So shout out to Mermaid Magic for their music.
Yeah.
Like, follow, and subscribe. Coming soon, Elena's channel.
Yeah. And we have this. And we also have this song.
Wow, look, the iPhone 6 still works.
Wait.
All right, Elaina. So people here came to see the new video for the iPhone 16 Pro. So let's talk about what do you have to say? What do you think about this phone?
Hi guys. We also have this song, but that is part of it.
All right, Elaina. So now we're gonna continue with.
I want to show you this video, and there's also a movie about this in Disney Plus, but there's a little scary part about sea what's and there's a pirate and he's so much scary.
So this mermaid is gonna be our sponsor, I guess, for this episode. They're our sponsor. They're gonna. So shout out, you know. So here we go.
Yeah.
And now back to the video.
Yeah.
We're gonna.
And we also have one more part is right there.
Oh, they're getting extra time.
I think it's a song card too. What is this supposed
All right, and so same thing as the other iPhones. Not a big change. Besides, I did notice the battery. It's 738%. I'm at 24% now. I mean, I've been using the phone a lot, obviously now. Yes.
But do you want to hear our best part, guys?
Sure.
This is not a best part. Awful part is I don't like a part of what a star part. A king was sleeping because of a queen, but she was not a. She wasn't a. She was. This is a part. Best part.
You know what? people are they're probably gonna like in the comments. They're gonna write some stuff in the comments. They probably like watching you more than me. So it's your show now.
And we also have, you know, what this part is about. This Mermaid Magic movie, and we have a Mermaid Magic movie, but I'm kind of a little scared of it because they gotta fire mermaids, but this green girl they put all of the bad people put her in a potion, and then the slimy girl that mean girl was me, and she was and then she was mean to and then she turned into a monster green thing, but I don't want to tell you about this part because this is the scary part. And this girl catch her because she was a monster. But and then when a pirate put his necklace around her, a fire was going inside her magic heart, and then her mother was there, and then she's there, and then best part wasn't over, and then it was over. And
so I guess I have to rename this video, guys. It's kind of like come up with a interesting title.
And this is a song like. Do you want to hear the song? This is actually my favorite part.
That's your favorite part?
They will, you know, they gotta say, I'm strong.
Girl power? Girl powers? Alright guys, thank you for watching. This is the conclusion of the video. You have a last thought before they sign out? What do you want to say?
Hey there guys, we still have a party here. No.
We still have a party here. Subscribe for more videos.